guys. As I told everyone, I am playing a horror game, and as you can see, this is SCP Containment Breach. And ever since I told Dre I was gonna play this, I have been dreading it. Cause I get scared easily, so I'm gonna have nightmares from this. Okay. What the fuck? What did I pick up? Oh, it was blinking. Oh. No, oh, spaces blink. Okay. Well, I don't know what to do. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. And I looked at the controls real quick, and I found out to look into inventory. And oh, shit! What did I do? Oh, okay. Why gotta look at it? Class D. To do with that. Haven't got to the scary part yet. What? Oh. I think I crouched. Yeah, I crouched. Stroll party! Alright, anyway. Am I supposed to grab the locks?
I've got some work for you. Please step out of the cell.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just follow me. We're authorized to kill any disobedient test subjects, so don't try anything stupid.
Okay, fuck. Please escort. Blink. Okay. Look how they walk. They look like penguins. Oh, FPS is going down. Just his arms.
Here we are. Get in there and follow the instructions from the intercom, and you'll probably be fine.
Probably. Okay. This is the part I saw.
Attention all
I just want
Class
to
D
fucking
personnel.
nope the fuck out of
Please
here.
enter the containment chamber.
I don't want to. Please don't listen to this.
Please approach SCP-173 for testing.
No.
There seems to be a problem with the door control system. The door isn't responding to any of our attempts to close it. So, please maintain direct eye contact with SCP-173 and...
Oh no, leave, Oh my god. I fucking hate this game. Okay. Well, I guess new game. Okay.
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber.
No. I'm in.
Subject D9341, enter the containment chamber or you will be terminated.
Terminator.
Please approach SCP-173 for testing.
What the fuck out? Why? What are you doing? Okay, I don't like him.
There seems to be a problem with the door control system. The door isn't responding to any of our attempts to close it. So, please maintain direct eye contact with SCP-173 and
What the fuck? Oh, that was less scary, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
containment chamber.
Okay. Well, I don't know how to. Well, I know how to save it. It won't let me save.
Please approach SCP-173 for testing.
I really don't want to approach him.
There seems to be a problem with the door control system. The door isn't responding to any of our attempts to close it. So, please maintain direct eye contact with SCP-173 and
Shortest way out
Did I get
is
through?
the
Did I get
southeast
through?
way. Follow me.
Oh my god, I finally got through. Give me everything. Give me everything. Let us save. Game saved. Okay, I'm saved. Oh. Okay. Okay, dead body. That's not a place to go. It's not a place to be. That's not a place to be. Okay, dark corridor. That's perfect place. Even better. Okay, don't just look down. Just look down. Can't hurt you if you're looking down. Please tell me there's some sort of light up ahead that I can walk into and be safe. Like heaven. Okay. Silence. Okay. What? Oh. Oh, what's happening? Well, I think I'm gonna go through the way that is where the dead bodies are. Seems a way better way than that way. Maybe not. Yeah, I guess not. Closed door, open door. Closed door. What the fuck is that noise? Okay. How did I get back in here? Yep. Open the fuck out of there. Keter. Violent. Okay, well. We noticed that firsthand. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? So we are forced to go this way. And apparently is really scared what's gonna be in there. Is he in there? I can't tell. I don't think he is. Okay. Fuck you too, door. Oh. Is he in there now? I bet he is. Okay. Game saved. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, I'm glad I saved my game. Jesus Christ. God damn it. Okay. So I can't blink. That's it. If he's around, I can't blink. I still don't want to fucking go in there, like... What fucking maniac goes into here? Okay, and I guess you can't pass him either. Cause he will freaking just snap your neck. I think I did it. Ah! Oh. Okay. I think I'm done for today. Fuck this game. Fuck this game hard. I fucking hate this game already. I'm gonna get so paranoid after this game. Well, I'll see you, I guess, in the next episode. If there is a next episode. Tell me what you guys think if I should post another one. Anyway. Bye!